Good luck, boys.
Eli, A-frame! Still home, still home! I didn't feel okay. I felt it down here now after.
I think I hit your knee pad first.
Did I not hit you at all?
You hit me at the same time as I hit you.
Oh.
How do we call that then?
Yeah, that was a trade.
I think I like missed like by like this much on your butt cheek.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did I get Maverick over here?
Yeah. Yeah, good hit, bro.
Good kill, dude. Good kill.
Thank you.
Speed load over here in case anyone needs it.
What's weight?
2.8.
I also have 2 8s. Do you use 3 O's?
I was 2.5.
Where do you want to go? Same spot, or are you gonna play different?
No, I think I got head tapped when I was over there.
Okay.
You gonna play over there? You did a good job.
I was gonna go home again, but I might just go straight to A-frame instead.
I'm gonna try and get the rocket.
Okay.
Alright.
I'm gonna play home then, right side. I'm gonna
left then?
Yeah.
I'm gonna prevent Eli from A-frame. Hit somewhere. Don't know how. Just saw a BB bounce off my glove.
Oh, fuck, man. What?
That's a practice study
You go tell, dude.
I thought I shot Eli too in the head, but
I feel like I traded him the first round too.
I don't even know if I fully got hit. I just saw a BB bounce off my glove, so it's like it's safer to call it and not get in trouble.
Where you going?
Home. Back right! Eli right!
Back to left too. Rocket, rocket, rocket. That's it, back right. That's right. Apron! Apron!
A-frame rocket! We stayed alive.
What is it, 1-0?
Yeah.
Well, we all three of us stayed alive that time Brian got out.
That doesn't matter, though. We gotta get, all three of them out. We can just play a fake now. What? Yeah, by one. Yeah, so we have to get at least one round. Get ready, right 10 seconds. Come on. I want to go middle this round.
Want to?
Okay.
Yeah.
We can swap. If you want to go middle.
Well, you can. Yeah. Just be careful. There's a lot of heat there, bro.
Yeah. I might push up just straight to rocket.
All right.
10 seconds.
Right side. Maverick, go.
Where at?
Middle rocket. Middle rocket.
Hit!
Rocket. Rocket still. Give me the knuckles. What's that? Give me the knuckles. That round felt bad.
Yeah.
Like ultimately we were gonna win. The round went away. You know? Yeah. That was weird.
I'm gonna go middle again.
Which side?
I'm gonna go left.
Okay. I think I might just go right barrel then.
I'm gonna go middle with you.
10 seconds.
Is that cool?
I'll try and peek right.
Okay.
I'm gonna go in front of you further.
Yeah. Back right, back right, back right!
Good. Maybe. Good. Thank you. They're fine. Yeah.
Oh yeah, get nice and low. Get nice and level.
Dude, I've only got one in his back. Oh, God.
What? They're tight.
Bring your pistol.
Yep.
Fix it.
Huh?
Can you fix it?
Yeah, it's so weird. It will take the blowback unit, but I just had to switch to the bad nozzle.
Okay.
So it works with my bad nozzle. So basically now in my Frankenstein, like, whatever pistol, I have my good nozzle.
Right.
The cow pink nozzle goes in there now. And both pistols work just fine now.
Okay.
So I guess cow nozzle doesn't like cow blowback unit.
Or just that one.
That makes sense, I guess.
I
Get
brought
it,
my
get
slide
it,
too.
get the same brand they said.
Right? They should be made for each other.
Guess not.
Probably like millimeters too.
I guess my fucked up edge nozzle works just fine with the new cow blowback unit. It's so dumb. Oh yeah.
Man, this is looking intense.
2 minutes.
Fucking off the break. People are ripping.
You're done all good, bro?
Almost half man.
Yeah, I did the whole backpack switch for, like, I set it up for this reason because I knew I would run out of in the first set. I'd run out of air in that tank.
Oh shit, I need my reloader.
Where are you wanting to go? Okay.
Down 1 point, alright?
Where are you wanting to play?
What?
Where are you wanting to play?
I'll go to the right.
Okay.
Where are you going?
Right. Are you going right barrel or right to rocket?
barrel.
Okay. I'll
I'm
probably
gonna
just.
try to get the A.
What?
I'm gonna try and get to the A-frame.
Okay. I want to try to go rocket.
We need to win 2 rounds to get ahead. We're down 1 round. All right, boys. Come on. Let's lock in, bro. Call out.
They are for what they are.
We might have to get aggro on them, bro. We're running out of time. All right.
Yep.
If we get ahead, we push. Okay. We get someone out. We take that space. All right.
Okay. When you get around, let me know. I might be interested. I don't need anything extravagant.
It's Eli in that A-frame again.
I died off the rip.
To what?
Trying to go here.
I don't like that. Don't try to push that at all. If you're playing this back right barrel, wait until we get their back right barrel out, and then you push up.
The fucking tank was unscrewing. That's why you didn't feel like the first 3 because no fucking pressure.
Something hit me in the head
That was
hard.
me.
bro.
Yeah, I had to fucking lob them up. I just screwed my tank in. Oh shit! You're going there, right? You're going right there. Yeah.
Oh shit, that's good.
That's good that he actually stayed alive, yeah.
Unless he would have got that kill, yeah.
Did you hit Eli on that last one?
Huh?
When you jumped, did you hit Eli on that or no?
I died off rip, dude.
Are you-
Kill Maverick? I thought we hit him.
You did, you did.
Yeah, you hit him.
It was 1v1 at the end. I want to go middle, dude.
Okay.
This
Which one?
shit's fucking crazy, bro.
Yep. Are you going middle just straight to home, or?
I might go to rocket.
Okay.
Come on, boys. We just need 1 to tie up. Come on. Let's get this fucking round right here, bro.
I believe.
Come on, boys.
I believe in you.
Back right barrel! Home, home, home! Eli's A-frame, you have 1 home. Rocket, rocket, rocket! Rocket out!
I almost got you.
You never know.
Come on, boy. We need 1 round. 1 fucking round. You want to try doubling up mid with me?
Alright, did you go left, Stryder?
Yeah.
I'll go third. I'll go
What?
Got it.
How did they come over here?
I don't know. Oh, really? Came Good run, Joseph. Good run.
Oh my god, dude. Did we? That was the win or no?
What?
Did you die?
No.
Oh, then we won that round.
Okay.
He did. I'll wait. Be careful, dude. That barrel's hot, dude. You need to get someone out before you push up there. Okay?
Back right, back right. Yeah.
Now we're down a point again. What's that?
We're down by 2.
How are we down by 2? I thought we were down by 1. But we got a point after that, so that should have tied it up. The round before that.
He was still alive.
Yeah, I wiped the team.
Yeah, but Patrick was still alive.
No, he was still alive.
I was
Yeah, he was still alive.
I was alive on A-frame right here.
He scored the round before that. So we should be down by 1. Alright, cool.
Where are you going?
No.
Where are you going, Patrick?
Go left.
Okay.
Yeah, but Stryder was still alive. Stryder was still alive. How did they trade? Because Stryder was back here and Joseph ran.
Okay, well, anyways.
Down by 1.
10 seconds.
We gotta do it. We gotta tie up right here.
You've been here this whole 5 minutes.
You know, dude.
Yeah, but dude.
Did you die? Yeah. So we're down by 2 now? Yeah. We're fucked, bro. We're so fucked.
It's fine. We still can get it.
How much time's left? 36 seconds?
Yep.
Oh, fuck. I guess we just gotta Hail Mary it, dude.
I know.
Alright.
I get you, Patrick? I saw one and it was like right this.
You fucking hit my feet.
I get your feet?
Hit. I didn't know there was still one back right barrel.
That's game, bro. They need refs, dude.
We still have one more, Joseph.
But it's over.
Hey, we're done. We're done.
We're not getting fucking.
We're done.
What?
I'm gonna honk the horn and then honk the horn again.
Yeah, it's over.
Okay, 10 seconds.
He's just gonna honk it and honk it again.
This is for everything. I'm gonna break. I'm gonna stay guys.